let's get started. Okay, so today I am doing a video in partnership with Saks Off Fifth. So they've sent me a adorable little bag with a bunch of makeup inside, and we are going to complete our face today using everything in this bag. So basically this is going to be a really easy 10-minute face for you guys. So that's what we're going to do today, and I am excited to use all these products. So thank you Saks Off Fifth for partnering with me today. Anyways, if you guys aren't super into sponsored content or this holds no interest for you, you can click away now. Otherwise, stay tuned for this easy face using just a couple products. Let's take a look at what we got in our little baggie here. So I have some awesome cheek and highlighting products from Bobbi Brown, a MAC eyeshadow palette, and a Smashbox mascara, and Lancome Juicy Tube lip glosses. So that's pretty much all I wear anyways when I'm running out the door to go run errands or go to lunch. And right now on my face I have some foundation and bronzer, and I did my brows, but that's it. So now we're gonna move into blush and highlights. So let's jump into that. So basically it's this really beautiful palette from Bobbi Brown. It is their Bobbi to Glow Highlighting Trio in Nectar Glow, Pink Gold Glow, and Golden Bronze Glow. So I really like this pink color here. I think it's going to be really nice as a highlighting blush. Let's see if we can get it on the brush. This reminds me a lot of my Pixi and Aspen Ovard gold blush. It's a really pretty pink, but with that golden undertone. Okay, that's really pretty. So it has a really nice shimmery shift, but it still has that little pinky touch so you don't look dead, which is, you know, pretty exciting, I would say. So next I'm gonna go in with the shade Nectar Glow, and that's this bright shade over here on the side. This is definitely along the very natural highlighter and blush section. This isn't going to give you a glow from space kind of highlight, but it is going to really brighten your face and just add that little extra dimension there, which is really nice. I just think that gives a really nice touch there, and it's very golden, so it's very warm, which is nice for summer. Okay, moving on, we're going to be jumping into eyes. So we're going to start with our MAC eyeshadow palette, and this is their Solar Glow ×9. So there are 9 little eyeshadows in this. It's really nice. They're very cool toned colors, which are super pretty. And it's basically, we're just going to pop a few of these shades on to add some dimension to our eyes before we throw on mascara. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and go in with a crease shade. I'm going to use the center shade right here. It's in the shade Cory. I'm just going to tap my fluffy brush into that. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the shade Blackberry. And I'm just going to use that same brush. Obviously these are MAC eyeshadows, so they blend out really, really beautifully, and the pigmentation is really nice on these as well. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with a more of a packed shader brush with the shade Soot. And it's just a little dark grayish black shade. I'm just gonna bring that close to my lash line. And I'm also going to take that right under my eye. Just in the corner. This brush doesn't have any more product on it. Just buffing out that darker shade. Okay, so next I'm going to be using my finger, and I'm going to go in with the shade Copper Aura, and it's this shade here. I'm just going to go in with my finger and tap that on. That has a lot of fallout. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this little tiny pencil brush with this first shade, which is Moon Rock. And I'm going to do my inner corner and brow bone. That is beautiful. Okay, and that is just so beautiful and so easy. You only need this palette for it, and it just brightens up your eye, and it's kind of a nice way to do a neutral smoky eye without being too dark for summer. This is a great day to night transition kind of look, and obviously all you need is one little palette. So that is super easy. Okay, moment of truth. We have the Smashbox Photo Finish Lash Primer and the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara, neither of which I've ever used before. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, and I'm not gonna wear falsies today because I really want to see how this eye look turns out with just the mascara. I'm just gonna curl my lashes really quick. Okay, so now that I have my lashes good and curled, let's go in with this Photo Finish Lash Primer. Okay, so I guess I'm supposed to put my mascara over top of this. It doesn't say whether it's supposed to be fully dry or not. So we're gonna wing it. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, so this is the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. Okay, I think that looks really, really nice. So that separated my lashes really beautifully, and I assume this primer really helped to volumize as well, which is really nice, and I think they turned out really black and really full, so I'm really happy with how that turned out. Okay, so last but not least, we have our Lancome Juicy Tubes, and I already love these, so I was pretty excited to get these. And I'm just gonna go in with this one. I'm going to go in with the shade Marshmallow Electro. Marshmallow Electro. And this is just a really pretty pink gloss. I'm just going to mostly go on clear, but just give you like a tiny little shimmery pink. I just like how shimmery your lips look afterwards. And it's really nice because you don't have to worry about being like perfect with lines or anything. It's just a gloss you can throw on. Okay, so those are just really shimmery, and this is the finished look, guys. And I love the way that it turned out, and I think that it was really awesome that everything fit in this little tiny bag so you can touch up and go as you please. And I think it's really great because Saks Off 5th now carries all their beauty products online, which is amazing. You can get so many great deals on these beauty products because Saks Off 5th obviously has discounted products, so that's a great way, a great alternative to get some of the higher end brands at a better price, which is awesome. So definitely be sure to check them out. I hope that you enjoyed this easy summer makeup tutorial, and let me know what you think in the comments below and what you want to see next, and I will be sure to get back to you guys. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, so you can be sure to have awesome new content every week. And I do listen to you guys, so if you have a request, please hit me with them. And I'm happy to film something that you guys want to see. So definitely let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!